everyone. So today's session I am going to work a little bit on opening your hips and opening your chest. I want to focus on the hips because a lot of us sit during the day either at our computers or whether we're in our cars or whatever. We tend to become a sitting posture, so that hip flexor tends to be very tight. So I want to spend this session just working on opening it up. All right, so let's start sitting on your cushion and take your legs into that diamond position. You're pulled up tall. Hands wherever you can. Sometimes even if you want, you can elevate your heels a little bit, all right? So I just want you to just sort of butterfly those legs, and they're just getting some motion, nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, and just gentle, 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 gentle. Just keep it there. Then hold the hands and just gently bend forward and come up. That's it. Just gently push and come up. Push and come up. One more time. Push and come up. Again, butterfly. Just feel like our legs are flapping in the wind. Okay, and gently push and up. Push and up. Push and up. And this time let's stay down there and just feel that opening of the hip, right? Just nice and easy. Beautiful. Take your legs where you feel comfortable. Circle the ankles. Just let the ankles go in one direction. Pull that spine up. Circle the ankles in the other direction. Good. Taking the hand to the outside. Wherever you can, reach over, stretch to that side. Push and bring yourself up. Both hands walking forward, slowly, slowly, slowly. Hold it there. Pull in your abdominals. Use your arms to push yourself up. Hand on the outside of the knee. Over to the side. Good. Drop that shoulder. I have to remember. And come up. Good. And then pushing one. Coming forward. Good. Wherever you can. Hold it. Breathe. Breathe. And then come back up. Let's repeat that. Hand to the outside. Lift that arm over. Stretch. Good. Feel those legs grounded. Push back up. And going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release the hip. Good. And coming back. 2, 3, 4. Other side. Over. Beautiful. Come back. Last time going forward. Just go where you might be right here and you're feeling that stretch. And just go. I'm a little more flexible, so I'm going to go a little bit further down. And I feel that nice, beautiful opening in my hip muscles. Okay? So now what I want you to do is lying. Actually, we're going to go right into sitting up, kneeling up. We're going to do a lovely hip flexor stretch. If you would like, put the pillow underneath your knee and bring the other leg in front. And when you're here, tuck that pelvis under. Don't pop it out, tuck it under, hand on your knee, and just reach forward. Good, and open towards me. Good, reach forward and open. reach forward, tuck under, and open. This time, reach forward, lift that arm right up, stretch it up, tuck, and just slightly bend away from me. Good. And release. Sit back on your heel, or on your seat, and just flex the foot. Bend and try to keep, don't contract there. Try to keep up. 2. Good. So that's stretching that hamstring, and you're pulling your foot towards you. 1 more time. Good. And you're going to face front. Beautiful. So another stretch for that hip. Reach up. Stretch down and hold that position. Reach and breathe. 2, 3, 4. Again, stretch, open, and down. Open those hips. 4. Change. Leg goes to the other side. Reach up and down and through. Thread the needle, reaching with that arm. You should feel that inner thigh working. Good. Reach up and stretch down. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Turn to face the other direction. Again, make sure we're not tilted this way, we're tilted this way. Even on that, keep that tilt, keep the ribs in, open the shoulder, reach right forward. Pull in the abs, open up towards me. Good. Reach. 2. Good. And open. Reach. 3. Good. And open. This time, tuck under. Reach. Lift the arm and side bend. Beautiful. Good. Let's try that. Now, sitting back, hands by the side, feel length wherever you are. Flex the foot, bend, flex, point, flex, point. Good. Hands. Now we're going to go into a pigeon stretch. So this leg comes across, and we are just going to sink ourselves down. Allow your head to be supported and just stretch that hip. Good. Hands by either side. Keep that hip there and just look up. Stretch, push through those arms. Don't look up. Just feel that length and slowly go down. Again, feel that stretch in that back, piriformis muscle. Hands by either side. Push those shoulders in. Pull in your abs, reach that back leg, pull up. Good. Just release the spine, separate your legs, and allow your body to relax. Another deep breath in there. Switch the leg over top. leg is back. So again, we're stretching the other piriformis. Hands in that triangle. Down. Allow that hip to stretch. Hands by the side. Push the shoulder blades into the back pockets. Pull in your abdomen. Push through the floor to extend up. Hold that there. Good. And release down again. Stretching. Hold the stretch. 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Hands by either side. Pull in your belly button. Tuck the tailbone. Push through the floor. Feel the energy in your arms. Good. And let's just lie right down. Hands by either side. Tuck in the tailbone. Shoulders down and just push into that upper wherever you can. Pulling in and release. This time, turn your toes under. Let me move up on the mat and push into that downward dog position. Hold it and dropping one knee at a time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down on your knees. Good. We're almost done. Face me. Your hips are in line. We're going to just stretch a little bit of the quad muscle, all right? Pulled in. Squeeze your seat muscles. Drop your shoulders. Let your hands go towards me. Hinge back. You'll feel that stretch here. And open up. And hinge back. Reach, 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 reach. And open. One more time. Hinge. Good. And open. Great. Last exercise. All I want you to do is allow the legs to flop to one side and then the other side. Just rolling on and rolling. Rolling. Good. Side to side. Side to side. And back into that position. Opening up. Bend forward. Your body will thank you. Roll up. One last. Going forward. Round. Elbows pushing on the legs. And up. So your body will thank you, and I thank you for watching.